Let's go ahead and give this contact form a test. I'm just going to go ahead and click submit right now with nothing filled out and see what happens. We get an error message at the top that says that the name, email, experience, and comments are all required. And if we scroll down, we see that each of those inputs has a red box around it in order to alert the user that they should fill these in. So this is exactly what we'd want from a usability standpoint. Let's go ahead and fill it out with some content and see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and put it on fast forward and fill it out. Okay, and I'm going to click submit. So we get a little message that says, "Thank you, your submission has been received," and we can go back to the form. Okay. When we go back to the form, we get a message at the top of the screen that says, "You have already submitted this form. View your previous submissions." Okay, that's kind of nice for me to see, but this isn't something that I'd want an end user to see as they came to the site. If they want to submit the contact form multiple times, I want them to go ahead and be able to do that. I also don't want them to be able to view their previous submissions. That just seems a little strange that we're storing their data on the site. So let's go ahead and submit this form as an anonymous user or a user that's not logged in and see if they also see this message, because I suspect that maybe they don't. So go ahead and jump to a different browser. Instead of logging out and logging in every time you need to test an anonymous account, you can use multiple browsers and do the same thing, and it's a lot quicker to jump back and forth. So you see here that it's prompting for a username and password, which means we're not logged in. So let's go ahead and click the Contact tab. And let's go ahead and fill this out with just some gobbledygook. I'm going to fill in all of the required inputs. And I'm going to click Submit. Okay, so we get the same message here. And let's go ahead and click Go Back to the form and see if we see the other message. Okay, this area up top is empty. Perfect. So this must be something that has to do with being a logged in user, and we'll look at what exactly it would be in a little bit.